Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the BarkBox. Do you want to see what is inside June's BarkBox? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I started out with the Super Chewer box. The first one was way too super chewy, like way too big of toys for her. Then they kind of did half and half, which the half of the BarkBox was so much better for her than the Super Chewer. So they changed her profile. She's right here. They changed her profile to just be the BarkBox, which I am so thankful that they did. They refunded me the difference. Their customer service is so phenomenal. Even though I chose that, they still would send me like extra toys. So she would have extra toys to play with to get her by until her next box came. I just really love their customer service. They go above and beyond when they don't have to. So, do you want to open up your box? Do you want to open up your box? Do you want to open up your box? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what is in here for this month. Okay, so let's go ahead and break the seal on this bad boy and see what is in here. She loves to play more than anything. So, let's see. BarkBox. So this is our first real BarkBox, and I'm so excited for her. And there is the inside. Oh, you already smelling things? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. Push you up workout. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is bringing me back to the 80s. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Oh my goodness. There's like little workout. Oh, no, hold on. So it says VHS. It's made to look like a VHS case, which is so cute. Eat, play, and love your body. That is just adorable, you guys. And then inside here is it looks just like a VHS. It says, okay, doggos, let's get physical. Let's get physical. I wanna get physical. How cute. The new pop-up BarkBox is here to get your butt wiggling, your tongue wagging, and your fluff flying. So pull up your leg warmers and fasten your seatbelts. It's time to chomp, chew, and fetch your way to fitness. How cute. And then I guess these are the different toys that they would have had for this month. That is so cute. They do different themes every month. And this is the cutest theme that I have ever seen. This is her third box. Spot needs a spotter. There's the back. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. But that is the cutest thing right there. How cute. So this is what her box looks like. So she has a little iron pump and this is hold on, can I show them first? You are dropping things, my child. Like, really? Sit still, baby. You're gonna knock all my stuff off the table. So this is a little, like, looks like a rat with a big old tail. Oh my gosh, she is going to love this. So here's the first toy right here. And it looks like a little, let's get physical. There's that. Okay, you can hold that. Then, oh my gosh, here's like a little pool. Here's like a little pool one. And there's a squeaker there. And it's, oh, you have to take that one now. And that one, which is cool. She loves pulling. What, you gave up on him? She loves pulling. So there's that. And then we have, excuse you, we have a protein bar. So we have a peanut butter, which I'll break that up and give that to her in pieces. She's going to love that. Then there is Pup You Up green smoothie dog treats. Apple, kale, spinach, and papaya. She loves treats. And then Pup You Up turkey and pumpkin powered dog treats boosted by cranberries. Ooh. And then there is her second treat right there. So that is this is her BarkBox. So she's got the 2 treats and she's got the 2 toys, and then she has this little protein bar. This theme is so cute. It is totally reminding me of like the 80s Richard Simmons and his little shorty shorts, like working out, and or like the video Let's Get Physical, and she's got like the little warmers on and all of that. That's what this totally reminds me of. So it says Bow Wow Flex. Their themes are just so cute. Behind the squeaks. Crinkle, bungee, and disc squeakers. So the disc squeakers are in there. There's the bungee. And hi, can I take the tag off for you? Can I take the tag off for you? Here, let me cut this off. Nope, get back. Hold on. You are such a good girl. Let me get that out. Okay, now you want it? Now do you want it? Oh, there's another tag here. So I'm going to cut these tags and let her go to town and play with them. But that is so cool. This is just hi, I know you want your new toy. And then here is your little, I know. She wants down so she can play with these. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go ahead and move and let her play with these. And then I'm gonna give her one of the treats and see how she likes it. Oh my gosh, the squirrel has little abs under there. Look at that. He has a little 6-pack going on. Is this a squirrel or a rat? I think this is a rat. What all was in there? Let me see. Let me go back to this thing and see what all could have been in this little... This is such a cute theme, you guys. You are making a mess. So that's the gym rat. Or there could have been like a stopwatch, a gym bag. There's a pig, a protein bar, a barbell. There's a dumbbell. Sorry. Look at all these different toys that would have been for this month's theme. How cute. This is just so cute. Snack on the move. We made a special chew for the Power Pup, a treat bar to go, made with all natural and grain-free with peanut butter. Peanut butter is the first ingredient, soft and breakable, on the go. Take on the go. So that is just so cool. Now the BarkBox, if y'all want to know, the BarkBox. Hi. Where's your BarkBox, baby? There it is. There's your BarkBox. There's your BarkBox, huh? Yeah, there it is. Huh? Can you tell them about it? Can you tell them about it? So the BarkBox is $29 billed monthly. 6 months would be $25, or 12 months would be $22. And then if you did the super chewer like I started with, it was $39 for 1 month. 6 months would be $34. 12 months would bring it down to $29. So the one that she has now is $29 a month, but I did a 6-month subscription, which is $25 a month. So she has, hi. So this is her third month, and I think she is going to be so excited. These are perfect. The BarkBox is the perfect ones for her. She doesn't need the super chewer, even though she is a super chewer. These are built so tough that she doesn't need the super chewer situation. If she was a bigger dog, then yes, those would have been perfect, but she wasn't playing with them because they were too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her play with these, and yeah. So hold on 1 second. Get it. Bang. Hey, don't throw your toy at me. Bang. Good girl. Here you go. Let's get physical. Physical. I want to get physical. Get it. Get it, baby. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this little one get her BarkBox. This one is so much better for her. She loves both of the toys, so this is the perfect box, and I'm so glad that they took their time to try to help me out and then to change it to this one and then gave me the refund for the additional that I paid for the Super Chewer, because this box is way more up her alley. This is the perfect box for her. So now her next 3 boxes are just going to be the BarkBox. They're going to be perfect for this little one right here. She's mad at me because I took her away from her toys so she can say bye. But you know, she doesn't care about anything but her toys right now. Which these are just so cute. And these themes are the cutest, you guys. Like, I just think these are just adorable. So, until next time, until she gets her next month, and then we see what she gets next month. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate you to stick around and see other videos that I do. And yeah, so until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.